Hi, everybody. This is Bill Trautman, your instructor. This is an online course, and I want to help you understand how to study for this course. Okay, so first of all, you're at a disadvantage because you don't have 3 hours of instruction like the in classroom students do. So you have to find a way to study for 3 hours before doing your homework. So this is what you do. First of all, when you're logged into the class, on the left-hand side, there's this thing called Brainfuse online tutoring. So if you're stuck on a particular problem, this is a good place to go. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's called Brainfuse Online Tutoring, and there's somebody always there. It might take a minute or two to load it up and get it going, but it works. I just tried it. I asked somebody what the greatest common factor was between 17 and 82, and they helped me out. Okay, so this is a good source. It might be a little bit hard at first to type in uh, the problems that you want, but with a little practice, you'll be able to do that, or explain, ask exactly what you want from another from the tutor that's there. So this is Brainfuse Online Tutoring. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it can help. All right, so that's good. Now, how else do I study for the class? Well, let's go to the actual classroom. Let's go to Aleks. So that's where I'm going right now. Okay, so I'm in Aleks. I'm going to go to our homework assignments. Don't forget, our homework assignments are on these 3 lines up here, the hamburger. Click on that, go to assignments, and find the assignments that are due this week. So I'm scrolling down. I think I have to do 6-1, 6-2, 6-3. Here's 1, 6-7 that I'm working on. I'm going to click on it, and you can do this assignment several times. So here's all the problems. Here's the first problem. If I don't know how to do it because I didn't pick an I didn't pick an in-classroom instruction, I don't know how to do this problem, so how am I going to learn? How am I going to figure out how to do this problem? Over here on the right-hand side are videos that show you how to do this problem or a problem very similar. Turn on the video and somebody will show you how to do this problem. Okay? So we have videos. They're not there for every single problem, but they're there for most. Here's another problem. It looks kind of difficult. Let's watch the video. And this video will explain exactly how to do this type of problem.
In this video, we'll solve the equation 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 equals 4.
Okay? All right, so this course is has tons of videos. Over here is the ebook. And once again, I just clicked on this. It said ebook, and they have the videos in the book also. So in the book, I mean, each one, you see there's just 2 videos right here. And let's see what else we have. So we have videos in the book part also. They might be a little bit different, which is good because the more videos you have, it's the more as though the instructor's showing you how to do the different types of problems. Really, really important that you watch these videos. It the thing is, the students who come on campus to take these classes, they get 3 hours of videos. They get 3 hours of the instructor each week showing them how to do problems. You're at a little disadvantage because you don't have an instructor for 3 hours showing you how to do problems. So in order to be caught up with the students that are on campus, you have to watch several hours of videos each week. So each problem, watch one or two different videos on it so you understand, how to do the problem. Okay, I'm back in the assignment tab and I hit submit on that last assignment. I didn't get any right, so it says I have a 0%. So some of you have emailed me, said I did really bad on the assignment. Is there any extra credit? No, there's no extra credit. However, look, I got a 0 on this assignment. The great thing about the way I have set this up is you can now go back into 6.7 or back into your assignment, hit start, and you can do the assignment again. If you get any problems correct, you don't have to do the ones correct again. You only have to redo the problems that are wrong. Once you redo the problems that are wrong, your grade will keep on updating until you get 100. So there's no excuse for not getting 100 on every assignment. You have videos to help you through, and you can hit submit and then go back to the assignments, start it over, and do the assignment more than once. Don't forget, the assignments are due by the due date. The assignments do have a due date, and they must be due by that date. But you can redo these assignments over and over again. Now, if you need more practice, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go ahead and hit this. To get more practice, you're going to have to get out of the assignment area. So I'm going to submit this assignment. Submit the assignment. Go to my assignment list. And then I'm going to come up here to Aleks. So to get practice that does not count for a grade, this is just practice, go to Aleks. And this is your pie. And I'm going to hit continue my path. This is where you go to do practice problems. And they're going to have you in order from 6.1 on to do problems. So I'm in 6.1 and it says find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Click on this. And if you notice, the other ones are locked until you do this assignment. I'm going to hit start down here at the bottom, and it explains how to do the problem. So if you didn't want to watch a video, some problems don't have videos, but they have explanations. Do you see on the right hand side? It has the ebook, but it doesn't have a video. Let me see what 6.1 here says. So it doesn't actually have a video, but it has an explanation. And when I clicked on that just now, the actual book is popping up. So I clicked on the book, and the actual book where you can read the steps and procedures for doing this assignment. And here are the steps and procedures. So you're not out there trying to learn this all on your own. You have this book to do the assignment, to help you show you how to do the assignments. You have videos to show you how to do the assignments. You have that 24-hour-a-day online tutoring. You also have the Math World tutoring on campus when you can make it. It's also open on Saturday mornings. So you have tutoring on campus. You have tutoring 24 hours a day online here. The tutoring on campus is great if you can ever make it there because the tutors will, you raise your hand, someone will come over and show you how to do the problems right there on the computer. So you have lots of resources. And don't forget, I have office hours. All you have to do is call me during office hours and we can meet in the online conference room. So I do have office hours that we can meet. You have lots of resources. It's just going to take time. You sign up for this online course. It's just going to take time. Don't forget, students that are not online have 3 hours of instruction before they do their assignments. They have 3 hours of class instruction. before they do their assignments. So if you haven't spent at least 3 hours watching videos, reading the book, learning how to do these problems, then you're not doing yourself justice. You're not getting as much out of this course as the students who go to campus. You're not expected to be able to do this homework the first hour and say, okay, I can do all these assignments. I can do one each hour. Well, you have to first put in 3 hours of instruction, which is watching videos, reading the book, understanding the steps and procedures, taking notes. So the students in class take notes. When you watch these videos, just don't watch them. Take notes. When you're reading this instruction, take notes. It's really important that you act as though you're in a classroom when watching these videos, that you're taking notes, that the instructor's giving you instruction. Unless you can do this all on your own, then more power to you. But each class requires that you take notes and instruction. Even though you're in an online class, it's not easier than a regular class. It's the exact same class. You can always call me or email me if you have any questions. I have office hours posted. Um, I hope everybody understands what's expected of them. Let me know if you have any questions.